Hi everybody, I'm back again for some more fun with art. Let us take a look at the shapes we are going to need for today's craft. Today we are doing the letter P. We are doing a lowercase p and an uppercase P. Take a close look at all of the shapes that we are going to need to gather before we can begin. Okay, so let us start. First thing I'm going to do is use my white paper and fold it in half. It actually doesn't need to be white. It can be any color other than any of these that we are using. So, I'm going to begin by pasting my uppercase P in place, P. Now, do you know what sound the P makes? P goes and what words can you think of that begin with that sound? Well, by the time we are finished with our craft, I am sure you are going to be able to tell me at least two things that begin with P. Now we're going to take the circle and place it right here on our P. Our triangles will go up here at the top. So both triangles are in place, and I'm going to quickly place my two small white circles. And we place one here and one here. By now, I am sure you can make a very good guess as to what we are creating. And if not, then after we put these black marks, 1, 2 on the circle, and we fill this in, oops, don't slide away, fill that in. Can you figure out what this is? P is for, that's it. I heard you. P is for pig, and every pig has a curly tail. So we take this narrow strip, hold the scissors blade against it, and just pull for a nice curl. You may have to do it a couple of times to get it as curly as you would want to have it. And we are going to place that curl right about there. I think that's just fine. So P is for pig. To finish up, we're going to use the red crayon because I don't have another pink. And I'm going to just color in the inside of the ears quickly, and there you have it. P is for pig. I think I will also outline this circle. Okay, so now I have placed my green lowercase p on the other half of the paper. And I have with me some magazine papers. Okay? Now, newspaper would do just as well, or if you have a variety of colored papers. I liked this color, so I cut a shape. First, you could cut a rectangle and then just curve one edge of the rectangle to look like this. Then I am going to put some glue on and put it in place right here at the bottom of my lowercase p. Then I'm going to use my black crayon, or yes, I have a black crayon, and I'm going to put my eye right in there. P is for pig and P is for, who knows what this is going to be. Well, I am sure by the time I cut this orange dress out and create the neck shape, you will figure out what P is for. Okay, so now do you know what P is for? That's right, P is for parrot. And all I need to complete this is some tail feathers. Look at these pictures. They seem quite colorful. So I'm going to fold them together, and with one cut I can get two colorful tail feathers. I'm simply going to cut them in a kind of a leaf shape, or I guess more appropriately I should say a feather shape. Here I found another colorful paper that I want to use. There we go. So now I have 3 lovely tail feathers, and I'm going to put them in right down here. Just enough glue to stick all 3 at one go. There you have it. P is for pig and P is for parrot. Do you think you can create your own cute little pig and your pretty parrot? Do have fun trying.